Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I make another interesting video for you. So let's start. So in this video we are going to show you how to make your own custom logo, own custom font. So stay tuned in the end. So guys, let's start. So first of all, I take this rectangle tool and simply drag it with no shift plus alter. Simply drag it with mouse. If you drag it with shift plus alpha, then you can make a square. But if you simply drag it with mouse, you can create a rectangle. Go to selection tool and click it. Now this is the point. So now simply click it and drag it. Full range, okay? Again click it and drag it. Now we are going to make this custom K, okay? So now let's start. Now first of all, make this copy and simply shift plus alter and done. This is the K logo, okay? So now this is our K. Simply again go to edit menu, copy and paste in front. And now simply drag it, and this is our click with shift and align it with horizontal align center, but I think this is not as appropriate as I want it to be. So kindly बस alignment का आप लोग ख्याल रखें. And now maintain the distance between the letters correctly, because if you choose this right, so wrong, so very chances of mistakes in the logo, and this won't be uh, looking good. So now we are making a very professional logo. So kindly don't do silly mistakes. Now horizontal align left and then Control plus G to group it. It's a shortcut key basically. And now shift click it with and vertical align center. Now this is our T. Okay. So if you want a bigger T, or if you want a short T, then you can add some of, and now you can maintain the distance. So this is our K. Okay, now again move to H. It's a simple H. So if you want, so now let's create, just go to rectangle tool and simply drag it with shift. Now go to selection tool and then click with point, click the point and simply drag it, and again click the point and drag it. Now copy it with alter, right click and go to transform and reflect preview, check कर लें आप, and okay. Now maintain the distance between the logo and again click it and go to edit menu, copy and paste in front. Now this rotate tool and shift plus mouse to take a very 180-degree, and if you now अगर, oh sorry, if you want something very usual, so now you can get started as this, okay, and now maintain the distance, okay. So basically choose the right color, and now simply go to object path, offset path, Oh, sorry. Now this. Now I think this is done. Now go to object, path, offset path, and write 5 pt. If you want more, then you can add as well. Now go to Pathfinder and oh sorry, shape builder tool, and now ऑल्टर से माइनस होता है और शिफ्ट से प्लस, सो शिफ्ट से करेंगे सिंपल. Now this is our unnecessary parts, so kindly give this a check. It's very beautiful logo. You can add as leaf or as per your preference. Now go to this again, making this. So I showed two ways how to create a very minimal custom font. Okay, so again, make it quicker. Edit. Oh, sorry. Right click, transform, and reflect. Okay, now again, edit, copy, paste in front, and now rotate it. Okay, now done. Ungroup it, and now go to object, path, offset path, and okay, 5 pt का लगाया हमने. Then click it with shift and go to pathfinder and -1. Now if you want के आपने कम लगाना है, then you can write 3 pt as well. So basically again go to object, pathfinder, offset path. Okay, and yes, okay. Now अगर आप एक और काम करती हूँ, मैं आपको बताती हूँ. If you go to pathfinder and offset path and simply click both, then the other is wrong and the other is disappears. So यही करना है आपने कि बारी बारी जो है वो लगाना है. If you like my video, do share and subscribe. Go to my community also. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Subscribe to my channel if you like. So this is our 3 logos which I have created in this video for you. So thanks for watching.